Hello my dear students, today we are going to one more program of our board program 5. The question is you have to write a program to input a list and search an element or a number stored in a list. That is a linear search and we have to do this program with the help of function. So for this children, firstly we input the list from the user like L is the list. We have to input with the help of eval function. Eval input enter list elements. After entering the list, firstly we are going to display the list. Print L. By this statement the original list is printed. Now we are going to ask the number which the user want to search in the list. Num is equal to integer input enter number to be searched. Enter number to be searched. After that we have to take one indicator, that is flag is equal to 0. It is taken because it decide either we come out from the loop in between or we will come out from the loop after executing the complete loop. Now we are going to traverse the list element one by one. For this we apply for loop here. For I in range length of L. Length of L. Here now we are going to check if Li double equal to num, user defined number. If the list element is exactly equal to the user defined number, then what we have to do, we have to set the indicator flag as 1 and come out from the loop with the help of break statement. After coming out from the loop, we are going to check the value of flag. If it is 1, that means we get the number in the list and we are not supposed to execute the full loop. That's why we come out from the loop from the break statement. If flag double equal to 1, we have to print element found. And if we want to give the position at which the element found, we write element found at position, and position is I plus 1. I is the index and position is present at 1 I plus 1. Else print element not found. Print element not found. One more thing children, here you have to do this program with the help of function. For this you have to just keep this coding in a function definition like this. Def L search function name, this is an argument list, then it is now function definition. We have to just call this function from the main, that is L search. Now this program is done with the help of function. For this you have to just touch this whole coding inside the function definition by defining the function header with def function name argument list colon, and don't forget to call this function from the main by defining the function name with argument list. That's all for today. Take care. Bye bye.